Welcome back to Killer Sudoku. In Lesson 3, we'll introduce a basic technique called Balance the Twos to solve the puzzle. Step 5. Balance the twos. The next step will be to start at the top and examine each sum that contains two squares to make the sum balanced. That is, the two squares must contain the same number of candidates and individual candidates must pair to add up to the sum. As we eliminate candidates from the various squares, some squares will be reduced to singles which we can enter as results. We'll also watch for doubles which can be applied to reduce the number of remaining candidates.
Start with the 13 sum in row 1. Highlight the square with the greater number of candidates, because we know we'll be eliminating some of them.
5 and 8, no, remove the 5. 6 and 7. 7 and 6, no, remove the 7. 8 and 5. Now we're balanced.
Now look at the 5 sum in row 1. You can see that the only 5 is 4 and 1. Balance the 10 sum in row 1.
2 and 8. 6 and 4, no, remove the 6. 8 and 2. 9 and 1, no, remove the 9. We're still not balanced. Highlight the other square. 2 and 8. 8 and 2. 9 and 1, no, remove the 9. Now we're balanced. Apply the 2-8 double to block 3 and column 9. We created a 4-6 double. Apply it to row 3.
Apply the 2-8 double to block 3. Apply the 5-9 double to row 2. Balance the 11 sum in row 3. Block 4.
Complete the sum.
Block 1. Block 4. Block 2. Balance the 17 sum in row 3.
17 minus 8 leaves 9. Apply the 4-5 double to block 5 and row 4.
We created a 1-7 double in block 6. Apply to block 6. Block 6. Block 5.
Look at the 6 sum in row 5. The only 6 is 5 and 1.
Block 4. Balance the 14 sum in row 6. Apply the 6-8 double to column 4. Block 8.
Complete the sum.
Block 7. Block 5. Balance the 11 sum in row 6. Balance the 15 sum in row 7. Balance the 10 sum in row 7.
Look at the 10 sum in row 8. The only 10 is 9 and 1.
Block 8.
Complete the sum.
Block 5. Block 2. Block 1.
Complete the sum.
Block 3. Block 9.
Complete the sum.
Block 7. Balance the 7 sum in row 8. Apply the 3-4 double to row 8. Block 9. Block 7. Block 9. Block 6. Block 3.
Balance the 28 sum in row 8. 28 minus 18 leaves 10. The only 10 is 1 and 9.
Block 7. Block 9. Block 8. Block 9. Block 8. Block 6. Block 3. Block 4. Block 9.
Look at the 15 sum in row 5. 15 minus 8 leaves 7. The only 7 is 4 and 3.
Block 4. Block 7. Block 4. Block 1. Well, that turned out to be pretty easy, didn't it? Let's review the steps we took to solve the puzzle. First, we looked for singles and entered them as results. Then we used the rule of 45 with the blocks and the rows and the columns. We generated a total of 10 results. Then we entered the candidates in the blank squares. We applied our 10 results to the candidates. 3 doubles showed up, so we applied them to the candidates. We balanced the sums with 2 squares. As singles appeared, we entered them as results. As doubles appeared, we applied them to the candidates. This is a good time to try a practice puzzle. Try a 70%er. You can't control the difficulty of the puzzle the game displays after you press Expert. If it doesn't display a 70%er, press the arrow in the top left of the puzzle screen and it will take you back to the menu. Keep trying until you get the game difficulty you want.
This concludes Lesson 3. In Lesson 4, we'll start on a more difficult expert-level puzzle.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.